Hello and welcome to Birds of Prey. I am so excited to be reacting to this film, finally. It has been out since last year, but I've never watched it. So I was all the very much like, do I just watch it on my own or do I react to it? And you know what? I figure it's reaction worthy perhaps, so I hope you guys will join me in supporting this film. And yeah, it is Margot Robbie, what I've been told is one of her finest performances. The film received mainly positive reviews, with Ewan McGregor particularly getting a good review, and some of the cast of the Birds of Prey. But it is, of course, a Harley Quinn film. I think it would be remiss of me to say anything else. But I'm hoping that they do show off some of the other characters and they get to actually... Because in the trailers it was very, very Harley Quinn-esque. So I'm hoping that we'll get to see more of, you know, like Laurel and Dinah. Sorry, not Laurel. Big mistake. I'm hoping to see more of Dinah and everyone. So yeah, without further ado, this is Birds of Prey. I really hope you enjoy this, and if you do, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, you can watch the full reaction on Patreon, which is in the comments below, as long with my Twitter, my Instagram, and my Twitch. I think that's all the plugging I need to do right now. Oh, and I think my TikTok's down there as well, but if it's not, I'm going to put it in, so it will be. And if you like BTS, that's pretty much for you. So this is Birds of Prey. Let's get ready to rumble.
New love.
I take payment in kind.
You have to feed it.
What the fuck?
Soon enough, I was back on my...
I've been there, sister. Oh my god.
To make new friends.
Oh! Holy shit! Good girl. You don't need that. Yeah, Holly! Boom.
It was the closure I needed. A fresh start.
Aww. Holy shit, Harley.
But I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation.
I thought we could be family.
Oh no, fuck that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I wasn't expecting this.
You never would have dared come after me before. We're suddenly doing this.
That's amazing. Roller dummy.
Calculated, highly strategic move.
Oh shit! How did that work? Oh no! No!
Fine. It was dumb luck. But still, that...
What is she doing? Why is she doing this? Oh. Damn, that guy keeps taking a real big punishment. I keep forgetting she's like the bad guy. But at least she's not killing them. Oh, maybe that guy's dead. Straight in the ass. Oh, damn. Oh! Are you gonna break his fucking neck? No.
Kind of woman who put everyone else's lives before her own. When she was found dead in the streets.
Oh.
Where the fuck were you and your boys in blue then?
Damn.
Now you wanna come and knock on my door and ask me to help you out?
What's happening to me? Why? I'm gonna get your diamond back. I promise. Why don't we go downstairs and kill that Harley bitch? Blow off a little steam.
Are they like?
I wanted to do that for quite some time.
Are they like a thing or something? Or?
Okay.
A kiss may be grand,
I wasn't expecting a musical number, but I should have done. I understand that now.
Hey, I know that guy.
She does know that guy. He's going to be in the newest Suicide Squad movie soon. Hopefully. But I'm not sure how long he'll last looking at the trailers. Damn, Harley! Maybe this is how Cassandra learns how to fight and become like the best fighter in the whole DCEU. Oh, maybe we shouldn't be shooting that. Oh no! No, Harley! No! Ooh. Holy shit! No! No, Harley! No! Oh, no! Some free to look at us!
What the fuck? Who did I just blow up?
Bow killer.
They call me.
The crossbow killer?
They call me
The Huntress.
Huntress.
She calls herself Huntress. Fucking fabulous, if you ask me.
Oh, I could live with Harley's narration of my entire fucking life. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Killed my sandwich!
Oh, God.
Bye-bye, birdie.
Oh, fuck.
No fair.
Is that really necessary?
You don't know her like I do.
Oh. Damn. Holy motherfucker.
They call me Elena Bertinelli.
For fuck's sake!
Family massacre. Yeesh, kebab. That is childhood trauma right there.
It's our only chance of stopping him.
Yeah, I think you should see this.
Uh-oh.
Sionis.
Oh, shit.
What the hell is up with this bow and arrow shit?
It's not a fucking bow and arrow, it's a crossbow. I'm not 12.
I love this chick. She's got rage issues.
I don't have rage issues!
You know, psychologically speaking, vengeance rarely brings the catharsis we hope for. Yeah. Are we ready? Just outside.
Okay, come on. You shouldn't have to see this. Hold on to this for me, okay? That's all you think about. Just close your eyes and hold it tight, okay?
Aw, that's what our brother.
Come on, you'll be safe.
That's what our brother gave her. I wish we got more time with Helena.
Thanks.
I really wanted to use her cry. It's been hinted at. Oh, it's like the Avengers Age of Ultron spinning round thing, but a lot more graphic and violent. And it's not robots, it's people throwing machetes. Ooh.
Here's mine. Sarah, forgive me yet? Keep off me.
You fucked up, Harley.
Anyone else hungry? I know great papa stuff.
I don't think it's over yet, is it? I was gonna say...
Better get her back!
That is sick. Whoa, and she's using it to...
Told you she had a killer voice.
Damn, so that really knocks her out. That's why she didn't use it a lot. I like it. I like that that's the excuse for it. Like an acrobat pub crawl. I love it. Are they going to shoot through the... Yep. Yes! Yes, girl! Come on, Cassandra! Oh. Oh, that was sick.
But I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you, not Mr. J.
It's a
Not
fake.
Harley fucking Quinn. You made me want to be a less terrible person.
Ew.
If we're apologizing for shit, I should tell you something.
Excuse me?
I stole something from you. You slippery-fingered little turd. I took your ring.
My ring?
Joe.
Oh!
She's using it to fund a little crime-fighting outfit. They call themselves the Birds of Prey. I call them dorky little do-gooders. Oh, and I found Bruce. He was wandering around Chinatown. I guess that proves the theory that hyenas really do have 9 lives.
Fuck yeah. That was really good. I don't know if there's an after credit scene. I doubt it, but I'll double check very quickly. It doesn't look like it is, but let me just double check. So there's none there. No. It doesn't look like it. Well, guys, that was, quite honestly, terrific. I absolutely adored that film. It had the action, it had the comedy, it had Harley Quinn, Margot Robbie was incredible in this film. I think seeing her really sort of excel and be this sort of just be like the main character, and I'm intrigued to see how it's going to lead into Suicide Squad 2. I don't know if there will be much, well, the Suicide Squad. I don't know if there'll be much like throwback to that. I'm not entirely sure. Because I know this movie didn't do incredibly at the box office, but I do believe it came out. Let me just see when it actually came out. 2020 film came out February 7th. Yeah, it only broke 200 million. Obviously Robbie's performance, but from what I could tell, it didn't do amazingly. Yeah, I'm just looking. There was undue expectations on female-led movie, and I was most disappointed in the idea that it provided we weren't ready for this yet. There was an extra burden that, as a woman of colour director, I already anyway, this is the director speaking. So yes, I think there's certainly different ways you can interpret the success or lack of success for a movie. Everyone has the right to, but I definitely do feel that everyone was pretty quick to jump on a certain angle. Oh, 100%. But you know. It didn't break even either. It needed to gross 250 to 300 million to break even, which is a shame. But you know, it's obvious that female-led films do work. Captain Marvel went over. Did Captain Marvel go over $1 billion? I feel like it did. Yeah, 1.128 billion. So you know, and that wasn't. I would say that was a better film than Captain Marvel. So I think there was a sort of lack of, maybe there was a strange direction taken in the promotion of this film. I'm not entirely sure, but maybe you guys can let me know in the comments what went wrong with sort of promoting it. But it was a really great film, and I really enjoyed it. Yeah, I really enjoyed that one. And I was thinking the other day, I haven't seen Independence Day. Really weird segue, but would that be something you guys would like me to check out? Because I don't mind doing that. That could be fun. But until the next time, don't forget you can watch the full reaction on Patreon. And if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It would really mean the world to me if you did. Especially comment, because I really love reading your comments and seeing that engagement. So, please, please, please. Thank you for watching. I love you lots. And I will see you for the next film reaction.